I'm gonna just go and climb up that boulder, see what I can see ahead. All right.
Wait a minute, pause there. I reckon that I know that I'm 174 centimeters tall. So I could use that information to work out the estimate of the height of the boulder. Right, let's get on with it. Come on, Mr. Beard, speed up. Easy. Oh, it's the last bit of balancing act. There he is. Right, let's pause it there then. Right, bring out the boulder. There you go. So, if you look at this carefully, I reckon just as an estimate, I can have 1, 2, and I reckon a little bit more, about a half more of a Mr. Beard. Right, that gives us 174 plus 174 plus a half of that, which is about 87 centimeters. I'll get about 435 centimeters. Now, roughly speaking, we say that the boulder is approximately 4.4 meters tall. And you know what? I've done it all in my slippers. Right, pause the video here and try to work out the height of the turrets, or torretta in Italian, which stands for little tower. Right, if you worked at the first one, you've got about 2 Mr. Beards, and the second one is about 1, 2, 3, 3.5 Mr. Beards. So, in total then, that's about 348 centimeters, or approximately 3.5 meters, since there's 100 centimeters in a meter. And if we take the back one, you've got 174 plus 174 plus 174 plus a little over. So that's about 609 centimeters, or about 6.1 meters. Right, here's another one. Pause the video and see if you can work out an estimate of the height of each object using Mr. Beard. Right, have a look. The house is 4 Mr. Beards tall, so that's about 7 meters, provided that you take in 174 centimeters per Mr. Beard. Right. Now, let's look at the next one. I think we look at the tree. Have a little guess. You've got 1, 2, oh God, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Mr. Beards. So that's about 8.7 meters tall. Remember, we're taking an estimate and we're saying, roughly speaking, about 174 centimeters per Mr. Beard. Right, next one's a lamppost. See if you can guess it before I put it up. That's one whole one, and that's about half left. So 174 times 2.5, which would give you roughly what? Yeah, about 4.4 meters. Now, you could have said 4.5, you could have said 4.3, you could have said 4, really, to be honest. Just a rough guess. Right, last one. 1, 2, well, how many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oh, and a 6 one. Right, so 6, well, his head's chopped off, isn't it? Let's say 6 anyway. So 6 times 1.74, and that's 10.4 meters tall. Hey, you've left me in the boulder. Come on, Mr. Beard, let's go. Yeah, move on.
Right, I think the trek is done then. There's no point going forward because there's nothing down there. And you know what?
See you in the next one.